Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on this Hyundai Santa Fe. This is an XRT mod. I don't think it matters. A couple things you should know up front. One, never leave your wiper arms extended in the air off of your windshield because you could break your windshield. Number two, the wiper blade sizes are 26 and 16. Two different size wiper blades. If you need that information, there you go. You got it. Have a great day. Number three, you got to put these wiper blades in the service mode because the wiper arms are under the hood and you got to get them up where you could get them off of the arms so you can replace them. So let's get started. Normally the wipers are parked under the hood. You can't lift them up without hitting the hood to replace them, and they won't let you slide them up the glass. Some newer cars will allow you to take the wiper blade and just slide it up on the windshield. These are not like that. So you have to put them in the parked up or a service position so that you can replace the blades. To get the blades in the service mode, you enter the vehicle. You have your key with you. You turn the vehicle to on. Do not start it. Once it's on, you turn the vehicle off. You hold your wiper arm up and your blades will rise and stop. Then you let that go. They are now in the service mode. You can go remove the blades from the arms. A couple things you want to know about your wiper blades. That is, one, they don't last forever. Two, depending on the quality of the wiper blades, they can last 6 hours of use or 40 hours of use. Three, they can go bad just by being exposed to UV rays. And a very critical thing is you don't want to break your windshield when replacing the wiper blades. So if you don't have your wiper blades on, never leave this arm up. It's a good idea not to leave it up anyway, but you want to put your wiper blades down, and you could set a rag under there if you want, but don't leave this up without a wiper blade on there, because if that falls down, this is metal. If this metal hits that windshield, it can crack and break your windshield, and that can be anywhere from a $400 to a $1,200 problem. So do not let this blade drop down on your windshield. You take the blade off, you set it down on the windshield. I don't even make it a habit of letting these fall down, even with blades on them. You always want to set those down. Don't walk away from them with them up. Don't even let them go with them up. Now, blades have a release on them. You grab that release. I got my thumb on it there. You pull the latch toward the blade arm and you pull the blade in and you maneuver that off. Now you set the arm down on the windshield gently. Don't forget, if you let that fall, crack your windshield, cost you $1,000. Again, your blade sizes are different. You got 26 on the driver, 16 on the passengers. You can take your blade off of your car, take Bosch blade off of the rack, set it down there from tip to tip, and it'll tell you the size. I'm at 0 there. Down here, I'm almost at 26, so 26-inch blade. Just a reminder, blades are rated by how long they'll last. These are supposed to be good blades, last a long time. They have a wind guide on there. What you do to these is you squeeze here and you squeeze here, the ridges. Then you can pull that up like that. Now it's unlatched. Now you feed the tip of the wiper arm through this hole like this. You hook it over the piece like that. You pull it up until it clicks. Now you latch that back down and you're all done. One down, one to go. And to get these out of the package, you can shake it like that. Just slide this out. Doop, 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 doop. Open up the back. You got this thing here. Open them up. And then you pull this out of the package. And now you have access to your wiper blade. Pull that out of there. Now, I bought the warranty on these blades because here in the valley, it gets really hot. UV rays will deteriorate them, and you will have a lot of rain. So I got a 13-month warranty on these things. I can get them replaced free of charge. Again, squeeze the tabs, flip this open. Now I'm ready to take that one off. And there you have it. Both wipers are on. The latches or latch closed. Now I go inside. Turn the car back on. And flip my wiper arm up. And it resets my arms. All done. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.